Many things can cause brown spots in your lawn, making it hard to get rid of the unsightly splotches. One of the more mysterious causes is fungal diseases. 3 diseases all create brown patches in grass, but they each behave differently. Brown patch damages grass blades, causing them to turn brown and form visible spots in lawns. The spots, which are 4 to 12 inches wide, have grayish-colored edges called smoke rings and can also have a white web-like layer called mycelium. Both of these symptoms are more visible on shorter mown lawns. Heat and humidity contribute to the development of brown patch. As the weather cools, lawns may recover naturally from the disease, but you can also minimize damage by watering and fertilizing correctly. Another patch disease that causes brown spots is summer patch. Summer patch damages grass from the roots up rather than the blades down, with the worst damage appearing at the edges. It also creates brown spots ranging from 4 to 12 inches wide. You can recognize the disease by the dark, rotting roots when you pull a handful of grass. In addition to good irrigation and fertilization practices, proper mowing height can help prevent the disease in your lawn. The third disease that can cause brown spots in lawns is called dollar spot. Compared to brown and summer patches, dollar spot creates smaller spots ranging from 2 to 6 inches wide. These patches consist of damaged grass blades with light brown spots. After a heavy dew, patches of dollar spot may also develop a layer of mycelium. Nitrogen deficiency contributes to the development of dollar spot, so proper fertilization is an excellent way to minimize damage. Again, good irrigation and mowing practices help protect your lawn from the disease as well.